Alright, so this week on Lattes and Lemons, because I'm fat. No need for it. Alright, bro. This week on Lattes and Lemons, I'm getting bullied for not having a smartwatch because I'm fat, even though I was literally working out on stream on that bike that you can maybe see through there and that workout machine. I don't know what I'm doing with them, to be fair. I am fat. Anyways, we're drinking Dutch Bros. It's almost empty. You might be able to hear the rain, you might not. I have a new mic, so we're testing that out. We are in the garage because it is raining, and my garage is not actually used as a garage, honestly. So there's limitations to what I can do. But that's okay because I bought this bad boy. So we weren't sure what we were gonna do with the fit. We were deciding on like what style of build we wanted to go with long term, right? Because I'm just doing things small, piece by piece. I've been staring at that, not that, the whole time. I've been doing things small, piece by piece the whole time. But my wife brought up a good point that I have talked about in the past of wanting to do a rally fit. I stripped this screw. I 3D printed this housing. Anyways, rally fit means durable, and this was an upgrade, arguably. So I 3D printed this a while ago. It was crappy. I'm not good at modeling 3D models. It wasn't bad, but this one doesn't have a panic button. And this one still has the plastic on the key. So we're going to take both of these apart and put them into one key. So let's get started on that. Okay, so I think I might have found a bit that will work even though it's stripped. This was, I don't even know, I think my mom got this for me. This was one of those kits where I was like, oh, this is a gimmick, I'm never gonna use this. But honestly, for small projects like this, it really has come in handy. I'm not sure if that's the right size bit, but that one was stripped, so. No, this is. Okay, now I'm gonna strip this one too. Okay, let's. Do I have an extender on this? I have an extender. I think I can take the extender off, right? Yeah. Nope. Can't take the extender off. That's annoying. I don't really want all of this. It's way too long. Like, I don't know. It's just whatever. I don't know how much of this is in frame. This is my, we just set up like a crafting area out here. We got it out of our living room. So now we have the 3D printer and stuff out here. This table is specifically for hobbies, you know, lattes and lemons, if I'm working on car parts, if I'm sewing something, if I'm, you know, just things that we're working on. Okay, this should just come apart, right? Oh, you know what? I do need to take off the keyring because the keyring is holding both pieces together for sure. Okay. I don't want to break this, but I don't see. I didn't just break that, did I? No, just, oh, it snaps in. Okay. So that is what I need. See, so this is like built into the thing. You have to cut it out. I already did on this one. As you can see, orange might be a pattern there. So this doesn't need to be screwed in. It just is like perfectly fit in there, which is super nice. Like it's just a good fit. Wow, this is. Wait, you buy good products and they work? The number one complaint that I have seen with this product is that right here will break. But people also complain about this one breaking. Are they holding it back here and twisting? Oh, well, I didn't mean to close it, but whatever. Are they holding back here and like twisting the key? Because I grab it like at the base when I twist. Like that's, I don't know. People complain about weird shit. People break shit in weird ways. I don't have the issue, so I don't personally know. Wait, what is this? So this is a bottle opener. It's a little corny, but I just wanted the durability of the full build. And I don't hate it. I don't think I need those stickers. Literally, in their instructional video, I don't even see them. Oh, these are shims. I don't need them because I have the OEM key. Okay, well. That's what the shims are for. Okay, I don't need them then. Quick loose fit, so that way they're all in and lined up, and then I'll go back and crank them down once. I don't want to go, like, I don't even think I'll do a full rotation. I'll probably do like a quarter rotation, because like at the end of the day, this is plastic, you know? It's not going to be like insanely tough, you know? They didn't, and like, I don't need an insanely tough thing. I like the ruggedness of it, and it looks cool, and yeah. Okay, so all I will do is come in here, let's put it 90 degrees, as close to 90 as I can get. Okay, and I just want a 90-degree turn, so I'm gonna end up like here. That's it. That's all I want. I don't want to go crazy with it, so 90 degrees, so end up there. This one I might have to go a little bit more than 90. No, okay. Alright. I'm actually gonna go, there's still some wiggle, so I'm gonna go just a little bit more on all of them. Probably another, like 45. I don't want to go too tight on it. There we go. And there we are. Super quick video, super simple, but that's just what happens. It's raining. It's just one of those things, you know? We are constantly making progress. Thankfully, I had this, I had already wanted to do this, and I had already ordered it, so it's like, this was already in before we knew about the rain. So, you know, it's a nice little thing. We will see about, let's keep all this together. I don't necessarily want to lose any of this. Like, I can put this screw back in. So I have a key without a fob, which I'm not even a little upset about, you know? Oh, I guess I could put the fob without the emergency in here. But yeah, the goal is always progress, right? And it doesn't necessarily have to be super big progress. It is just what we're working on that week, and this is what we were working on this week. That's just the reality of it. I can't do much in the rain. I might be able to work on some things, because it's just about progress. These videos are just about progress, right? It's not always going to be perfect. It's not always going to be a 30-minute video. It's not always going to be the best videos. They're about keeping me pushing. So, if you don't like it, don't watch it. It's totally fine. If you do like it, consider subscribing, I guess. Thank you, guys.